Dear friends, the problem has been completely solved for our friends who are music software developers who have difficulty in transferring coma, quarter sound, software and music via Cubase. In my work on the Midi extension keyboard Medeli Dante Tr, which I am currently using, very clean results can be obtained with the contributions of the notation software program Studio 4 and Cubase 5 and even other versions of Cubase. We believe that with these programs, you can create more effective software, especially in Midi rhythm and song recordings, and that it will provide you with great convenience in transferring Midi extension rhythms to keyboards in other formats and models. Please stay tuned for detailed explanations and explanatory videos.